Kenya is attending, first of all, because the president has catapulted Kenya's diplomatic profile. Ameinua profile ya Kenya sana. Kenya is being seen increasingly as an anchor state on the African continent. The president himself has been assigned the role of championing AU reforms. Okay, so these are very significant assignments that the president has. Now, the president will use this platform, therefore, not just to speak generally, but to speak for Africa. He has an opportunity to call for Africa to become a member for the UN Security Council reform, so that Africa can have a voice, a permanent voice on the African Union. There's a common African position which the president can articulate on behalf of Africa.
Your great country. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. This is your natural
Yeah.